Welcome back to Pro School. Here I am with yet another session for beginners. This session will help you to crack one more basic interview question, whether you are a fresher or you are an experienced SQL developer. You will always encounter a question from the session we are yet to cover. Theoretically, SQL commands which we already covered in previous sessions are grouped under various heads. Would request all of you to be attentive and watch this video till end. It will be very beneficial for all. All the commands which impact or deal with the table structure, creation, alteration or removal comes under first category, that is DDL. We define it as data definition language. You must be remembering playing with the structure of any table, creating or altering the table structure or removing the structure of any table. Yes, exactly, you are right. We have such commands. First one is create, drop to remove the structure, alter to change the structure of existing column or table, truncate to eliminate complete structure from the database. These four commands are grouped under data definition language. Whenever you are asked to tell whether truncate is DDL or DML, you'll go with the DDL, obviously, because it is dealing with the definition of your data. Next category is DML. We define it as data manipulation language. Manipulation, as the term suggests, it will deal with all the commands which act upon the data stored in the tables which are created using DDL. Manipulation, first command comes into our mind is insert. We are manipulating data, inserting data. Next, we can delete existing data. This will not impact the structure, we are only playing with the data. That's why delete will come under manipulation language. Next, we can update existing data. In short, we can say the structure is impacted using DDL commands and data is impacted using DML commands. Next category comes is DQL, also known as data query language. Many times this DQL and DML are merged, and because we have query, so we will query the data using select. There is only one command under this category. Many times at many places you may find select under DML also. Next is TCL, transaction control language. We have recently seen these commands. Transaction control language will have commit and rollback. This is for beginners. We do have more complex commands in TCL, and one more category you can say data control language, grant and revoke. That we will slowly and steadily, we are moving towards complex queries and complex concepts. That time we will cover. By this time we have covered all these commands in separate sessions, and now we are putting in various containers how they are grouped theoretically to crack the interviews, nothing else. So we have the four types of commands categorized, and each category have different commands in it. Now the main question or main confusion occurs when you are asked which type of command it is. You will be given a command and you will be asked which type of command it is. I'm sure there won't be any issue in TCL because transaction is either committed or rollbacked. Query, you always query using select. Now main confusion always occurs between DML and DTL. For example, drop, truncate and delete will be given and you will be asked which one is DML. This will create a confusion, and to remove this confusion I'll share one personal tip with all of you. Here we go. Let's see what is the syntax of Ddl commands. Here all the 4 command syntaxes displayed. Create, table keyword, table name and followed by the rest of the syntax. Drop, table keyword and rest of the syntax. Alter, table keyword, rest of the syntax, and truncate, table keyword, rest of the syntax. Exactly, you noticed is correct. We are using the keyword table in each of the queries under Ddl command category. Exactly, whenever you are playing or whatever the command is using the keyword table while performing any action, that is nothing but DDL. You are playing with the structure of the table. You are either creating, either deleting, either removing whole structure, or you are altering that structure. At that time you are providing the table keyword. Whenever any command is prefixed or is followed by a table keyword, that command is DDL command, and rest all other commands are DML while playing with the data except select, commit and rollback. Exactly, this will help you to remember it lifelong. This is all with today's video. I would like all of you to subscribe my channel and revisit all these concepts once more before going for the interviews. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.